Welcome to Art Magic.
Learn how to draw your favorite yellow minion in a few simple steps. Draw a smaller circle inside the head oval for the minion's eye. Then, draw a larger circle around the eye for the goggle frame. Add a smaller circle inside the eye for the pupil. Start by drawing a large oval shape in the center of your paper. This will be the minion's body. Next, draw a smaller oval shape on top of the body for the minion's head. Then, it's time to add color. Use yellow for the body and blue for the overalls. Feel free to get creative with the colors and add any extra details you like. Congratulations! You've successfully drawn a cute yellow minion. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be drawing minions like a pro. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.